Welcome to the business page. In this video, we're going to walk through adding an operating business. Begin by clicking on the business icon. You can then put the name of your business and add the total value of the business or your ownership of the business. Next, input the annual growth rate of the business. And if you pay yourself a dividend through your business, you can indicate yes and add the dividend types and amounts. If you anticipate paying yourself more each year, you can add an annual dividend growth rate. The table will allow you to manually override any given year, or if you know that you're going to stop paying yourself a dividend at some point in time, you can go ahead and zero it out, click the arrow, which will simulate no longer paying yourself a dividend through the business. Finally, indicate what your plans are for the business. If you don't plan to sell, you can simply select no. If you do plan to sell your operating business at some point, select yes. Select the year you anticipate you might sell, and input the net after-tax proceeds of the sale of your business. Once all required fields are completed, select Add.